Hey, Lisa here. Welcome to the Ultimate Fit Club. Today I got some fitness tips for you. I got a couple of questions asking me, what equipment should I use? What should I start out with? Well, number one is a light pair of dumbbells. These happen to be 5 pounds. You can pretty much get them anywhere now that the pandemic's gone and you've got access to the sporting goods store, order them online. If you've got a kettlebell, great. I do use them in some of my workouts. Another nice, easy, inexpensive piece of equipment to have is a stability ball. Now, when you go ahead and buy these, make sure you pay attention to the size and the height requirements. Some of them are made from 5 foot to 5'7". They're usually 55 centimeters. If you're over 6 foot tall, usually it's 65 centimeters. So when you blow it up, make sure it's nice and firm. So when you sit on it, your knee is in line with your hip and your knee is in line with your ankle. Otherwise, it's like way too tall for you to do certain movements. And the second one I recommend getting is a power circle. They call them a Pilates ring, a magic circle. I use these most of the time in my Pilates workouts. They're really inexpensive and you can get them under 20 bucks on Amazon. I can leave some of the descriptions of the items in the description of the video box below, so that way you have an idea on where to get them. What kind of stability ball are you getting? What kind of dumbbell? Do you need ones with these ones happen to be neoprene. Some of them come to where they're just metal and they can slip on your hands. Or if you have the grip stuff on here, the neoprene, it's basically sweat proof. You can just wipe them off and they won't slip out of your hands when you're doing stuff. And for the mat, and you can see that this one is particularly thick. It's probably about an inch and a half thick or more. If you're using the yoga mats to do some of the workouts, you may have to double them up, especially if you're on your knees. They can be really, really thin. So be wary of that when you go to purchase your mat. Make sure it's a little thicker and kind of on the beefier side so it supports you when you're laying down. So I hope those tips helped you figure out the equipment you're going to purchase and the tools that you'll need to do some of my workouts. Now, some of my workouts don't have any equipment at all. All you need is your body weight. And the third piece I would recommend is a TRX. That is a great tool to have in your arsenal. You can mount it on your wall. You can use it on a door. Check out my channel. I have a couple of workouts using the TRX. It's great for balance and stability. Also, if you have knee and hip issues, it's great because you can do squats and you're fully supported. So I'll go ahead and shoot another instructional video on the TRX. I do have one on the channel showing you how to adjust it. So if you need anything else, leave me a comment below. If you'd like to learn about the stability ball or dumbbells or anything else, I'd love to answer that question for you. And you're part of the community, so welcome. We are so glad to have you. You're not in this alone. I'm here every step of the way with you. I just happen to be programming the workouts for you so you get a better workout. Until next time, have a great rest of your day. Bye.